Nama saya Wimpi Manikam.
Saiful Arta Dewata.
Muhammad Iqbal Usabi, berasal dari
Indonesia.
Boleh jadi kita berbeda, tapi kita tetap satu. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Mari kami tunjukkan rumah kami, Indonesia.
Indonesia bagi saya adalah tempat yang terindah. Tempat terindah bagi saya adalah gunung dan hutan. Disinilah kenyataan dan fantasi bertemu.
Down thousands of meters. If we slip, we die. If we slip, we die.
Suatu kebudayaan apapun seni biar tidak punah dan akan mengembangkan seni tradisional Indonesia. Menyaksikan letusan gunung berapi Gunung Bromo. Indonesia untuk saya adalah tentang semangat baik orang. Saya baik dalam dancing ataupun seni, gairah pembakaran dalam sanubari dan jiwa. Saya bangga menjadi bangsa Indonesia.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Anyways, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of the video, Artlist. Artlist is a music licensing website with high quality authentic music. Music is so crucial for the video. It sets the mood that you then have to match with both your story and visuals. However, finding the perfect song, no matter if it's a passion or client project, has always been a challenge. But with the varied high-quality music from Artlist, it's easier than ever to find the perfect song with the perfect mood.
What differentiates Artlist from other music licensing platforms is the one-time price that covers unlimited licenses on any platform worldwide, even including commercial. Once you download a song with a subscription, it's licensed to use forever.
To make it even easier for you guys to get started, I have now created a playlist with my favorite songs from Artlist for you to find some inspiration from. And if you head to the link in the description, you will get 2 months off for free. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.